Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on position vector of vectors chapter, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics. So I have taken only part 1 for this explanation because I want to focus on position vector and addition of the vectors. So now let's see here. So it is a trapezium in which AB and DC are parallel. Though we don't need to draw the sketch here, but to visualize it better, if you want to do so, you can do this. Now AB and DC are parallel, right? So suppose I am taking AB in this direction, okay? And I'm taking, for example, DC also here, parallel to this, okay? So this is DC, okay? Now the question is given here. I have written here the 3 position vectors OA, OB and OC, which are given to in the question. It is saying given that DC vector is equals to 3 times AB. So DC is much bigger. So just a minute, let me make AB smaller because DC is 3 times of AB. Okay, so let me make it right this, it's better. Okay, now I have to find out the position vector of D. Now O is somewhere, for example, O is here, for example, I'm just assuming, right? So I have to find out vector OD. It has nothing to do with diagram, but just to give you an idea of what is the question asking. So we will use the given condition, which is DC vector equals to 3 times AB vector. And what do we have to find out? Position vector of D, which means OD you have to find out. Now we know how to change given vector into position vector. That we have already learned. So I am writing DC vector into position vector form. It will become OC minus OD. Similarly, vector AB can be written as OB minus OA. So we have changed vector AB into position vectors and DC into position vectors. Now I will make OD a subject, okay, which is here. So let me keep it here. And I'm opening it 3 times OB vector minus 3 times OA vector, and this OC will come here, it will become minus OC. Because you have to find out OD, so I will multiply it by negative throughout. And after that, I will start the substitution. Minus 3 OB vector plus 3 OA vector and plus OC. Right? And now we already have written here OA, OB and OC. So I'm going to plug in the vectors here. OB is equals to I plus 3j plus k. This is given to us in the question. And OA is equals to minus I plus 2j plus 3k. And then vector OC. OC is equals to 2I plus 2j minus 3k. Now just like algebra, I will expand it and simplify it and nothing else. So I'm expanding it now. Minus 3I, but you have to be careful about this also, right? Very important part. Minus 3I plus 6j 9k 2I plus 2j minus 3k. After that, the like vectors which are j, I and k, if you can do calculation from here, fine. Or if you want to write it together to avoid any mistake, you can do so. So I'm writing all i's together. Minus 3i plus 2i. Then I will write j minus 3j plus, just a minute, plus 6j plus 2j. And then all case minus 3k plus 9k minus 3k. And now you can add and subtract. So here you will get minus 4i, then you will get minus 6, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8, just a minute, I'm just checking. 2i plus 2j minus 3k, did I write it correct? 2i plus 2j minus 3k, and this is minus 3k plus 6j. This is right. So 8 minus 3 is 5j. Something is plus 5j. You have to check plus minus. If I have made mistake, so you can correct it. And this 9 minus 6 is 3k. I have a doubt in j. So let me check the j's again. Just give me a second. Minus 1 plus 3k plus k, correct? So it is, yes, here it is the mistake. That is minus 9j. So it is minus 9j. So then it will be 6, 7, 8 minus. Okay. So it is minus j. Now it is correct. Minus j plus 3k. Right. So this is how I have found my position vector OD. So thank you very much for watching the video. Like, I made calculation mistake here 3 times 3. So you also need to be very careful. Being a human being, we all can make mistake. So need to be careful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.